Hi guys, bienvenue dans ce carnet de lecture 2024. Je suis Laure NSNJ. Si cette vidéo vous plaît, n'hésitez surtout pas à vous abonner à ma chaîne, à liker et à partager. Je vous dis à très bientôt.
You got me shaking, yeah, I feel the fever coming on. Boy, you know you're all I want. Keep saying that I hate it, but it's kind of fun. Watching me come undone. No more games. Can't we just say its name instead of running away and jumping the gun to play it safe? Let's spend the weekend here in this bed we can sleep in and let the feelings overflow. Useless trying to fight this. Let's just give in and let the feelings overflow. I tried to shake it, find a way to get you off my mind. Really tried to draw that line, but one look from you, I'm praying I could call you mine. Baby, you got my hands tied. No more games. Can't we just say its name instead of running away and jumping the gun to play it safe? Oh, let's spend the weekend here in this bed we can sleep in and let the feelings overflow. Useless trying to fight this. Let's just give in and let the feelings overflow. Let's spend the weekend here in this bed we can sleep in and let the feelings overflow. Useless trying to fight this. Let's just give in and let the feelings overflow. Weekend here in this bed we can sleep in and let the feelings overflow. Useless trying to fight this. Let's just give in and let the feelings overflow.
N'hésitez surtout pas, si ce contenu vous plaît, à liker, à me laisser un petit pouce bleu, à vous abonner à ma chaîne si ce n'est pas encore fait, et à me laisser vos recommandations en commentaire.
Hanging around after last orders, we're still so far from home. It's like we're burning into embers. Just a fire burns a cold world. As the days keep rolling on, we're living in hell again. But I still hold you in my heart when these days have been and gone. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. As time goes by, wanna keep heading round the circles, never letting go, never letting go. As time goes by, wanna keep heading round the circles, never letting go, never letting go.
Merci infiniment d'avoir regardé cette vidéo jusqu'au bout. Je vous dis à très bientôt pour de nouvelles aventures. Prenez soin de vous et de vos proches. Bye bye.
Crescent moons come. We're all fired up, we're tangled up, we're enmeshed to the point and messed